What's going on, family, today? What it be, what it is. Me and Queen Mezziah is at White Castles. Look at her. Say hey to the family. Ask her what she doing with me today. Tell her. Family, she don't want to share with you. Tell her what you doing with me today. Y'all don't know. What you say? No, why are you with me today?
I'm trying to eat my food. That's why I'm with you.
Y'all know she's supposed to be in school today. But some little girl pushed her
Come here, mommy.
and called her. Tell her.
No.
Tell the family what happened.
She called the big word. She had hit me.
What's wrong with these kids today? And their parents not teaching them no discipline. And today I had to go for, some medical things that I had to take care of today. But family, I am blessed. I am here. Today is a beautiful day. And I wanted to share with y'all. I love me some double cheeseburger. This was it or either some breakfast. And I ain't want no breakfast. I ain't have a taste of no eggs this morning. And I'm dipping my fries in this barbecue sauce. And it's good. And knowing me, I'm going to end up going back up there and get me another double cheeseburger. Because I love that cheeseburger. I always ask them to make my bread soft. And I got some Coke Pop. It's a little strong too. That was a little burp, wasn't it? Did y'all hear that, family? I'm just appreciating being here. I thought this area, this probably be a little bit more lit. But it's a little gloomy outside. Ain't it? How does a cheeseburger taste? Look at it chowing down. Chow.
It's good.
It's good. Both me and her. Look at the double cheeseburger. It's probably really good. White House is always. As long as you tell them to make your bread soft. I don't like my bread hard. Have a little barbecue sauce. I got some ranch, but I ain't want no ranch. Third party music. Don't own the right to the music. It's playing in the background. I don't want to get copyrighted. What you thinking about? Look at her. Over here in deep thought. Tell me what you thinking about.
Nothing good.
What's on your mind?
Nothing. I'm just watching TV.
She acts so funny. She is her mama's child. Look at her. Say hi, they missed you. They been asking about you, ain't even looking at them. Look.
I want some tea. Stop.
I mean, just one of them days. I hope y'all morning is going well today. What did you watch? She ain't even watching nothing really.
Yes, I am.
What did you watch?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I'm holding my control. So how do I know I watch it? I don't have no control. Oh,
I thought you said you know what you watch.
I didn't say that.
What did you say?
I said what's the TV.
What did you watch?
I don't know. Because I just
See,
said
what did she watch?
none yet.
What you say?
None yet. None yet.
I'm gonna glue her mouth together.
None yet. None yet. None yet.
Your teeth came in right. Look at them. Y'all see her teeth? They ain't double up no more. Let them see them. They look nice. Let me see. See how she do grandma? See how she do me?
I'm hungry.
She do me so wrong. She do me wrong. Family,
I'm hungry.
Queen Mezziah do
I'm
grandma wrong. Y'all get on
I'm
her.
hungry. I'm hungry.
She ain't that hungry.
I'm hungry. That's what I am. You see my burger?
The way you move. Y'all get some good burps. I'm trying to do it a little, not so loud, because I'm in public. But you know I can't waste none of them good burps. You ain't got no burps for them?
Excuse me.
What's that on your teeth?
This?
Oh, food. Yeah, how they gonna suspend her and the girl pushed her? They called her out her name. And she just defended herself. I never will understand that. Do you?
Because we're supposed to fight.
Huh?
Because we're supposed to fight, guys.
No, you're not, but don't nobody supposed to put their hands on you either.
I don't know my friend did.
Huh?
She did something for no reason.
Your friend did?
Yeah, she did something for no reason.
What did your friend do?
Because the girl, she called her, I mean her name too. And she hit her too. And then she grabbed that key, slammed her on the concrete.
Oh, Lord. Did she bust her face?
No, she busted her head and back her neck and her back.
Oh, wow.
And then
No, it's...
they started fighting. And then she got her brain.
People...
Her bead.
See how violent kids is today?
Ain't no problem.
It ain't your problem.
No problem.
But you was involved in it.
But did I slap her on the ground?
No.
No, on the push.
Why'd you push her?
She called me out. She hit me.
She hit you?
Yes. She called me and hit me.
What is these parents teaching these kids today? I don't teach my grandkids to be violent toward anybody. But it's a certain point when you tell a teacher and the teacher doesn't do anything and the child keeps on messing with you, what is you supposed to do? I never forget my first little fight I had in school. It was with my best friend. And I was the type of person, I was real quiet in school. I didn't mess with nobody. And she was picking with me and she said, I'm gonna beat you up. And I'm in shock. I never forget, her name was Karen. And I'm like, why you wanna fight me? She was like, after school, I'm gonna fight you. This happened for real. That's Queen Mezziah looking at me. So after school, she was standing there waiting on me. And I came out that door and you know, scary child is go attack. And I beat the mess out of her and I felt so bad about it. But she was picking with me. And she was fighting me, trying to fight me. And I told her I didn't want to fight her. And she didn't even have a reason to even fight me. And her mother ended up calling me crazy. But she was the one that was crazy because I told her to leave me alone. And a quiet, scary child, you don't want to mess with them because you don't know. Because they already scared. They don't want to fight. And once it go down, it go down. Family, have y'all had times where people done bullied you or, you know, pick with you? And that's a lot of that's going on today, bullying. Is you for? Did you for? You not for? Taking your time? You for?
Wait, can I bring this?
Huh?
Can I bring this?
You get some more. I'll eat this. You don't want it?
I do.
But you gonna take it with you? For later?
Yeah.
That's my baby. Grandkids is a joy to have. I miss my other grandbabies too, but yes, as a grandparent, your grandkids is just that, your grandkids. And they go home to their parents and with their parents. Just so happen this one is permanently with me for right now. But they'll be leaving soon too. Right? Mm-hmm. You happy about having your own room again?
Yeah.
And that means she don't have to come get in the bed with grandma.
No.
She'll be able to sleep in her own bed.
No.
Look at her, tell me no. Why you like sleeping with me?
She got bed comfort.
It's like they don't play in the food.
I'm getting the sauce.
No, is you gonna eat it?
Next time eating it's hard.
Huh?
Safe for later.
Look at her. Playing in food.
I'm saying it for later.
Kids grow up so fast, don't they, y'all? What family? I wanted to come to y'all this morning. I love y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day today. And be blessed and be prosperous and be happy today. Nothing but blessings is going to come upon y'all today. Nothing but good things. Y'all going to hear good things today, including myself. So please give a thumbs up. Please comment down below and let me know what it is, what it do. And make sure y'all hit that notification bell so when I come on, y'all can click it. Click, 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 clack. What you want to say, Queen Mezziah, to the family?
Nothing.
You gonna say bye to them?
Bye.
You gonna say you love them? Hope everything goes well today? I don't know why she's so antisociable today. I'm gonna thump her in her throat in a minute.
Stop.
She acting so funny today. It's okay though, family, but I will see y'all later, okay? Much love, peace out, Middle East H downtown, get it down.